Hi viewers, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how can you guys move your taskbar to bottom to top, left or right. So you just need to right click on your taskbar like this, uncheck if it is checked, lock the taskbar. So now you can move your taskbar uh, wherever you want. You just need to hold your taskbar and move to where you want to move. If you want to move on the top, you can hold your taskbar or and move it to top. So you can see it is on the top. And if you want to move on the right, and just hold your taskbar and move it to, sorry, so now you can see it's on the right side. So if you want to move on the left side of your computer screen, just hold the taskbar and move it to left. And if you want to move the on the top, bottom, just hold your taskbar and move it to bottom. So now you can see it's on the bottom. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.